All right.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our video blog with the Bridges team and your host Richard Bridges with ERA Blue Diamond Realty. Today is May 28th, 2011. It's Friday everybody, happy Friday. It's also a long weekend. For those of us who had to work today, sorry. For those of us who didn't, happy 4-day weekend. Also want to give a quick shout out to all of our service members out there. Thank you for all that you've done. Kicking this off, the topic of today's discussion is big changes, okay? Big changes. First big one that's coming up, it's proposed, it's been talked about dozens of times in the past, but again, it's becoming a reality. And with Congress looking to reduce write-offs, or to actually to increase taxable income and things that can come into them to help reduce our deficit, they again have put eliminating the mortgage interest deduction for all of us out there that currently own properties. This is huge. This is critical, folks. Essentially, the demand in the real estate market for those purchasers out there, that a large reason that they're buying is to get those mortgage interest deductions on their tax returns, is going to dry up, essentially plummeting home values, and we need to keep this in the back of our mind. Not only do we need to keep this in the back of our mind, we need to take action. This is a call to action. Folks, you need to write, you need to email, you need to call, you need to hound your congressmen and senators to make sure this does not happen. I cannot emphasize that enough, okay? Unacceptable. Bottom line, moving on. Next up for the possible changes, big change coming up is FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, and their loan product, which currently the minimum down payment stands at 3.5%. I don't know if any of you remember a couple years ago it went from 3% to 3.5%. They're looking to do that again, except this time it's going from 3.5% to 5% for a minimum down payment. What this will do is take home ownership that is a possibility for those of us that have enough money at 3.5% to buy a home. It's taking that home ownership possibility out of the equation. 5% is a lot of money. How much money is it exactly? Let me give you some examples. At $100,000, your down payment would be currently $3,500. It'll go to $5,000. At $200,000, it currently stands at $7,000 at 3.5% down. It will go to $10,000. At $300,000, it'll go from $10,500 down to $15,000 down. And at $400,000, folks, we're going from $14,000 down on 3.5% financing to a whopping $20,000. Okay? I need to emphasize that to you guys. Again, this is a call to action. Let the appropriate people know who need to make sure these changes don't happen. It will have adverse effects on the real estate market. Again, my name is Richard Bridges here with ERA Blue Diamond Realty, the Bridges team's blog. Until next time, enjoy your guys' weekend. Don't eat too much at the barbecues and have a lot of fun. I would also love to hear your thoughts, comments, concerns, questions, but most importantly, get out there. This is a call to action. Again, Richard Bridges signing off. Until next time. Thanks a lot, guys.